Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arita. If you're stopping here for the first time, and if you're not, welcome back. Okay, so in today's video I just want to show you guys my quick nighttime routine. Yes, I go to work every day. I have a 9 to 5, extremely crazy, I know, but yeah, I just want to show you guys my nighttime routine, what I do after work, how do I get my makeup up, what do I do to keep maintaining this, this beauty. Okay, so let's jump right into the video. Okay, let's jump right into the video, okay? Okay, so for today I'm going to be showing you my quick nighttime routine. Okay, so first things first, I start with facial wipes. I usually use baby wipes. This is I think this is Dr. Brown. This is Dr. Brown. I got this from a regular convenience store, so you can get it for yourself. You can use baby wipes and you can use regular facial wipes. I know some people say, yeah, it's not good to use like baby wipes and all of that for your face, but I mean, I do, and I'm okay with it, so whatever. Okay, then I go in. Let me put the cap on. Okay, so I go in with this classic makeup remover. I've had it for a while, and to show you that I've judiciously used it, the skin has filled everything. So yep, this is what I use. I go in with this I go in with this cleanser from Classic. So I just pour a little in. Ooh, that's a lot. Okay, why do I use this cleanser after using wipes? I mean, obviously the wipes is going to take it off, right? Okay, because I use it because it makes the work faster. It has this little, I feel like it has a little oil inside, and it just makes the work faster. Yeah, so let's go in. You can see how quickly it removes my makeup. I think just took it off. Well, I don't have a lot of layers of makeup on my face. I just have powder. I know, crazy, right? I just have powder on my face and my skin still looks. Are you seeing what's really the difference? Can you really tell? You can, but it's not. You can tell, but it's not that much. Okay, so yeah, see what I have on my wipes. It's not a lot. It's just powder. So we're taking that off. I think I prefer I don't know who makes maybe beautiful faces when they are trying to take off their makeup. I don't know who makes beautiful faces at all. I'm trying to take off my eye makeup and I know that my face is not going to look it's not going to look so fashionable or fine or whatever. So you guys should just take it like that. So my eye. The only thing I rubbed on my eye was mascara. I used the serum mascara, and Jesus, that was a lot of makeup remover. That was a lot. Okay, so I just taking off. I just want to make sure that everything comes off, because I don't want, I mean, you cannot be 100%, but I feel like you should just try your best to take off all the makeup that you can from your face. Okay. So what I'm trying to do is I'm just trying to use my fingers to remove the mascara from my lashes. It's taking forever. Okay, so I'm done with like the first wipe. No, I will not be putting any more makeup remover because I feel like it has done a perfect job the first time. So I'll just remove the remaining makeup from my face with a clear wipe. You can go in with the wipes as many times as you want, but I don't want to because it always gives me this, it hurts on my face. I don't know why. I don't know if I'm the only one that wipes hurts, but yeah, it hurts me on my face. And I think I'm done. So this is my second wipe. This is my second wipe. I'm not going to use a third one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and just pour water on my face and rinse my face, okay? So yeah, how do I so guys, I want to pour water on my face. Anyway, the mic. I usually pour a little water on my face. Why? Because like, let me just balance that tripod. I don't want my phone to be falling off. Okay, so I usually pour a little water on my face because that wipes, it used to pepper my face. I don't know why. I don't know. Okay guys, so next up I'll be using salicylic acid from Inky List. So this is what it looks like. It comes in, I think this is 50 ml. It comes in 50, this is a 50 ml bottle, okay? So I use this as my cleanser aside from my regular wipes and all of that. I use this as a cleanser, so I just put a little on my hand. I feel like 3 drops or so. I feel like that's okay. Just a little amount, not put a lot. So we're gonna wash our face. So let's turn to this side. So I'll just I'm supposed to do it to your shoulder, but I can't do that because I'm wearing a dress. So we're gonna rinse it off. Okay, so next up, oh my god. So I'm going to go for another round. It's my cleanser, just a little. You don't need to put as much as the first time. So yep, just go my hand again. And forehead. Gotta shine with the skin. Hey, what a beauty. Make sure you touch on the corners of your face. Make sure you touch on the corners of your face. Make sure. Okay, so we are done. we're gonna dab our face with a towel. Okay, Jesus. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Oh my God. Okay, so we're back, we're live, and we are here. Okay, so I'm just going to dab my face. Okay, so next step, we're going to go in with our retinol. The days where I don't put what is that on my face? Anyway, to go. I was actually looking for my vitamin C serum. On the days when I don't put on my retinol, like today, I'm going to wear my retinol. Today I'm going to wear my retinol. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's from Urban Skin RX. Okay, so from Eventone, Urban Skin RX. I don't even know the brand. Melanin Experts. So it's called Retinol Rapid Repair and Dark Spot Treatment. So yeah, I used to have like dark, I still have a little, excuse me, I used to have like dark spots under my eye. I still have a little though, so but it's not as bad as it used to be. So yeah, it's been going, and I've been having more sleep, so that's also been helping. And the days when I don't use retinol, I use my vitamin C serum. But I use, like, aside from the night time and all of that, like the alternation during the night, I use vitamin C serum every day. And I got this one from Naveen Haven. You can find them on Instagram. I'll link the page in the description. You can also find this retinol and some other things I got them from Shop with Teka. I'll put her Instagram handle down. I'll put all these vendors, I'll put their Instagram handles down in the comment section of this video. Okay, so let's jump right into it. Okay, so I just take a little. So here we go, just maybe like few pumps. I mean, like one pump can go a whole lot. Are you seeing this? It can go a long way. So, and when you say this is a small, this is a 30 ml bottle. I don't think they fill it to the brim though, but I feel like this could take you for like months. It could, if you don't have a lot of dark spots and you use it well. You alternate it, number one, and you don't take a lot. Like this will go a long way. Like when I first started using retinol, used to peel, like that initial time will peel your skin and all that, but after some time your skin will get used to it. So just peel the first layer of your skin and, you know, reveal what is underneath, the beauty. So I had like dark spots because of like pimples and all of that on my cheeks. You're not supposed to put this under your eye, but I have like a large dark spot. I don't know if you can see it. Just right here. So I'm just going to put it there. Not directly under my eye anyways. You should have like an eye cream that takes care of like under eye dark spots. I basically rub this all over my face. But you're supposed to alternate it though. You're supposed to alternate it. Some days you put it on your dark spots. Then some days you just rub it all over your face. You like put it on the specific places that have dark spots, or like put it directly on the places, on the spots itself. I don't have a lot, my dear. Let me know from 110. I don't have a lot. Okay, so on days when I don't put on my retinol, aside from my vitamin C serum, I usually wear my sunscreen. I know it's weird. I mean, who wears sunscreen at night? But I just take a little and I rub it on my face. Yep. So this is Aqua. I mean, see the body. This sunscreen is going through a lot. It's Aqua, and aqua misha also. Yep, misha. This is a 50 ml. Yep, 50 ml, and you know it goes a long way. And the days when I don't wear, retinol, I also put on a little coconut oil. That's your oil. I just put it very little, I just use very little of it, so I don't use a lot. Just very little. Oh my god, use very little. So it goes a long way. And then to top it all, I use my lip balm from Nivea. I use the Nivea lip balm on my lips. As you can see, my lips is even dry. Not from like skincare or anything like that, but from dehydration. I've not been drinking a lot of water, so I need to work on not just my physical but my internal. So I just put my lip balm. Like lip balm has even finished it. This is my holy grail, Nivea lip balm. So instead of Vaseline, you can use lip balm. If you don't have the Nivea, in fact this one is like, I feel like you could get this one is for men, but you could get the one for ladies. There's strawberry, there's the pink one, there's the blue one, then there's the deep pink also. Yeah, they have a lot of colors. You actually like it. It does not have any smell. It just smells clear, but just smells like a petroleum product. So yeah, it's actually nice for your lip. It helps with peeling and all those things. It also helps to prevent lip eczema. I mean, like when you cream your lip, obviously you prevent lip eczema, especially for those people that like to lick their lips. So yeah, I think, yeah. I think that's basically it. That is basically my nighttime routine. So so that is all for my skincare nighttime routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yep, so from here now, just take a bath, maybe do 1 or 2 things, then off for the night. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and do what? Share it to your friends and your family. Okay guys, have a nice time. Bye.